in a woman, no, 10 to 15% of pregnancies really end up in miscarriages. And yes, and 80% of these miscarriages happen in the first 3 months. Minsan, hindi pa aware yung mommy that she's actually pregnant, nakukunan na siya. So, dahil siguro hindi siya aware of the cycles, ganyan. Pero, ganun siya ka-common. Kaya nga, though malungkot na happening ito, we have to be aware that miscarriages rates are really high, especially in the first trimester. And, sabihin man natin there are ways on how to prevent it. Walang 100% way on how to prevent it kasi it's really out of our control.
Yeah. So ito kaya nangyari kay Ellen dahil ba nagbabiyahe sila? Alam mo pa nagta-travel, pwedeng natatagtag, tapos di pa siya aware, di ba nabuntis siya. Factor ba yon yung pagiging matagtag, malikot, naglalakad lagi na pwede ka makunan, Dok?
To be honest, hindi. I always tell my patients, they shouldn't be blaming themselves na, nakunan ka kasi trabaho ka ng trabaho. Kasi most of the miscarriages in the first trimester are due to chromosomal abnormalities. Tayo kasi, pag nabubuo tayo, we are composed of 46 chromosomes, 23 galing kay mamu, 23 galing kay papu. Pero,
pantay pala?
Pantay. So, 23 pairs in all. And kapag nag-meet ang egg and sperm, there are a lot of changes, no? Nagde-divide yung cells. Hindi natin controlled kung halimbawa hindi perfect yung union. Meaning, minsan kulang yung chromosomes, minsan sobra. And because hindi ganun kaganda yung nabuo, this is yung pinakamalaking factor why most miscarriages happen in the first 3 months. So, hindi natin kontrolado. I mean, kahit si Ellen siguro, naka-bedrest lang siya. Sinusuklayan sa kama. If hindi talaga magpo-progress yung pregnancy, hindi talaga. So, it's not her fault actually.
Kaya pala may kasabihan, Papo, na pag first try-sem, no? Wag munang ipapamalita. May iba, hindi pinapamalita sa iba dahil baka raw maudlot o ma-jinx. Palalampasin muna yung first 3 months na yan para daw, ito yung exact words ng mga babae, no? Matibay na ang kapit. Tama yun, Dok?
Yes,
So,
very
ibig sabihin,
true.
Dok, on the 4th month, hindi na pwede makunan ang isang babae.
Pwede pa rin, but the chances sobrang mas
Slim na.
nag-slim down na compared sa first 3 months.
Hanggang ilang months na may risk na makunan?
We say ang miscarriage ay pregnancy loss before 20 weeks age of gestation. So that's roughly before 20 weeks.
20 weeks?
Before
5
26.
months. 5
Yes.
months, Before the 5th month, Papo.
Delikado pa rin.
Kaya talagang as a woman progresses yung pregnancy, no, mas nakakalabas siya, nakakalayo siya sa 20 weeks na yan. Chances are, maganda na talaga yung kape.
Ano ibig sabihin ng spotting, Dok? May mga nakitang
Yan.
Spotting is minimal na pagdurugo.
Ano ibig sabihin?
And nakakakita sila sa underwear nila or when they go to the CR, nagkakaroon ng mga spots of maliliit na droplets of blood. This is one of the symptoms of an early miscarriage, pero pwede rin itong sign of implantation bleeding.
Kailan ulit sila pwedeng mag-try?
Well, kami ngayon, no, as soon as nagbalik na yung kanyang regular menses, let's say after 2 to 3 months, they can try again. But my advice talaga is this. Na-claim naman ni Sir Derek na they weren't really trying during this time, which means they weren't prepared. It was a pleasant surprise, diba, that they received the good news. So, if they should try again, pinaka-importante, paghandaan.
Preparation.
And how do they do that?
Yeah.
Health, fitness buff sila both. That's a good thing. They have to maintain that. They have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Medyo iwas muna sa, kunwari, alcoholic beverages, mga ganon. Maintain nila na maayos yung diet nila, balanced diet. And siguro folic acid would help kasi according to WHO, all those women out there trying to conceive, dapat at least daw 3 months na kayong umiinom ng folic acid.
True. Alam mo,
diba?
part na ng aking pregnancy journey, ang folic acid.
Yes, it prevents,
ko na yan.
it prevents kasi yung mga anencephaly, spina bifida. So, importante kasi first 3 months, nagbubuo nga yung body parts ni baby. So, it will ensure na mas may laban or mas may chance si baby.
For the brain development, no? Of the fetus, no?
And at the same time, I would advise the couple na magpapacheck up. You know why? Because medical conditions also na hindi in-address could affect yung pregnancy outcome. Kunwari, merong diabetes or thyroid problem, mga ganyan na uncontrolled, this could really contribute to early pregnancy loss. So, ang magandang pregnancy talaga, pinaghahandaan in terms of that. No? Inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo and then it is continued kapag nakabuo na during naman sa prenatal visit.
Question.